Vips?
Right. Kasi actually po, seriously speaking, po, Ken, umuwi po kami ng Philippines like what? That was like 8 months ago. So we went to Manila.
Yeah.
Kita namin yung mga bata doon, mga 5, 6, 7 years old, sumisimot sila ng rugby at saka ng solvent.
Which is so
talaga
sad.
nangantig yung puso namin. So sabi ko po, let's put up,
Yeah.
some money para
Correct.
mag-ipon tayo. Tapos after shows natin, mag-ano tayo, mingi tayo ng tip para sa mga tao, para pagdating ng Pasko, may maibigay tayo sa mga bata.
Exactly.
Para meron sila pambili ng shabu.
Yeah. Para naman umangat yung level ng kanilang bisyo. Kasi nakakaano yun.
Kawawa nantig talaga kami.
Nantig kami. That's very true.
Ganun na lang ba ang buhay nila?
Yeah, mag-level up man lang. Kasi rugby ill.
Oh, that's so 80s.
At least man lang. At least man lang.
80s.
Yeah, at least ngayon, Molly.
You're right.
Yeah, hello.
But seriously,
Yeah, pero seryoso po yan. I would like to tell this clearly, kidding aside to everyone, that we are telling everyone, you are not obliged to give anything, any donation or tip whatsoever.
Exactly.
Because to us, what matters the most is that we're making you happy and we're making you laugh. Ayan. So are you happy? Ayan. At least napasaya namin kayo. Yun ang pinaka-importante sa amin. At least napasaya namin kayo. So let your conscience be your guide.
so you're happy, right? You want to be more happy? More money. I will always love you para sa ano.
Oo. And then after this, si Danny.
Opo,
Okay.
yeah.
For the meantime, this is for Ate Penny and Neo.
Wow, taray ng memory.
Yeah. Alam mo na pag mo nagbibigay, mataas ang memorya mo. Diyos ko naman. 70.
May utal pa.
Pagkatapos to, hindi
Ay, nararamdaman ko naman mukha naman talaga. Nakadukot naman si ate, nakahawak na sa bag. Hawak na hawak siya dun sa bag niya, wala siyang tiwala sa katabi niya.
Ayan. Sige, eto na po. Mahirap po itong kantang ito, kaya kailangan po namin ng inyong pag-unawa at suporta. Alam